Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS9020 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS9020 support onto Google, and the best result should say Canon support for PIXMA TS9020. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down underneath Downloads and expand Software and Drivers. Scrolling down again, you want to select underneath Software and Driver Results. There should be an item in here that says Print Driver and Scan Utility Installer. Select Download on that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes, and then proceed with the installation here. And then select Next, select your country, and then agree to the license terms. And then you can select your printer connection method, and then you just would select Next, and then follow along with the on-screen prompts at that point, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.